Thank you to SimpliSafe for sponsoring this video. There's no safe like SimpliSafe. Let's pick back up on this project. So in lengthening the building, I've already gone and augered in my holes. You can see the auger on the back of the tractor. So what I'm doing is originally there was going to be a dormered up section here. So the building would have been symmetrical. This, building, then the open area, then another building. And I was going to leave this open, then have a lean-to coming off. But what I've decided to is go ahead, auger in holes. Got more posts there. Those will get dropped in just like the other ones did in an earlier video. And now there'll be a room that goes over top this lofted area, just like over here, but twice as long. And I don't know the exact purpose of it yet, but what it's given me is two nice bays underneath. I would like to work a 2-post automotive lift into this. But I have to think about how the sawmill gets in and out of here if needed. I might just be able to turn the sawmill and bring it out this way. But originally I was planning on just where you could just back all the way in, hook to it, and just pull it through the building. And if it's a 2-post lift in here like this, it'd be in the way. So I may have to do the post this way and you pull into it long ways. But holes augered, I'm gonna go ahead and get them kind of squared out and adjusted to where they fall in the right place, pour concrete in them, and then shift gears to something else while the concrete sets. And then in a couple days, I'll drop the posts in. Here's what I was just cutting. An explanation of it is there's going to be doubled up 2x10s going across here. One of them will sit on top of this. The other one will be on the outside, bolted through into this part. So that'll give some load bearing. It's going to be a little bit different over here on that other one. But so that is a 2x10, so it's going to come up to about here. Then the joist will sit on top of it. They're going to go like that. And then this I've reduced to 4 inches because this is going to extend up into the wall of the lofted part. So I want to reduce that to where it was inside the wall and didn't have to stick out. So this is the corner post. So I need to do the same one on this one, and this one. So 4 total. And then it's going to be a little bit different on these that connect to the actual building. I don't want to mess with this one much at all because that's the one that the metal truss that's holding up all the rafters attaches to. And I'm probably just going to do the same thing on this one. So one will just run straight into it. One will run onto the face, get bolted. Both get bolted together. And then there's going to be some metal work around the other one just to give it a little bit more bearing surface. Like many of you, I have a young family, and with a family comes the responsibility of keeping them safe. SimpliSafe offers a comprehensive security system for the whole home, including sensors and cameras to detect threats of all kinds. Should any of your sensors or cameras pick up on an issue, 24/7 live guard protection means SimpliSafe agents are there to assess the situation, contact you, and dispatch first responders to your address whether you are away or unable to respond. One of my favorite pieces of equipment is the new Smart Alarm indoor wireless camera. The moment an issue is detected, this camera triggers the alarm and blares a built-in siren to instantly deter intruders. Combined with the 24/7 live guard protection, monitoring agents can see and speak live to intruders in your home. I was drawn to SimpliSafe first because of a recommendation. What made me choose to use it was the price and ease of installation. The systems are fairly priced and the professional monitoring plans are available for less than $1 a day, which is less than half the cost of traditional home security systems. And it's contract-free. Once the system shows up at your door, you're only about an hour away from having fully functional home security. Most of the sensors mount using double-sided adhesive strips. You basically peel and stick. Setup is as easy as pushing a few buttons and following prompts. As easy as installation is, you can also have it professionally installed, so there should be no concern about if and how your system can be installed. SimpliSafe also offers a great app that integrates with the system, showing you up-to-date information on your system and live views from the cameras. This allows you to keep up with your home even if you're far away. Save 20% off your SimpliSafe security system when you sign up for a Fast Protect monitoring plan and get your first month free. Visit SimpliSafe.com/homemadehome to customize yours. That was the last subflooring board. So I had 12-inch boards, and then I think these are like some 10-inch boards, and then those last 2 rows were some 7-inch boards, and the final row had to be ripped to fit. So that is all of the subflooring. And I put all these skinnier boards up here because I just wanted to get down to those 10-inch boards. So now I need to get all those back down, bring all the 2x4s up, and in the next video I'll be showing all of the wall and roof framing. And I don't have the decking for the roof yet, so I need to saw that up, and I wish I did, because I would love to just throw it all up real quick and get the metal on there to get this decking out of the rain and sun. But I don't have it, so I'll mill it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my ebook, Cheap Houses, How I Find and Buy Inexpensive Real Estate. It's available on Amazon or as a direct download from my website. Chick, 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 chick.